The steaming hot aromatic gravy is raw mango sambar. It has all the goodness of a sambar we know and love with the tang of raw mango, making it perfect for summer. First we need about half a cup of tur dal, washed and rinsed. Let's get it cooking. I'm going to pressure cook it for about 3 whistles with a pinch of turmeric. Next let's get our vegetables ready. I'm using a couple of drumsticks cut into roughly 2 to 3 inch pieces. You can use any vegetable of your choice. And of course our hero ingredient, raw mango, cut into medium-sized chunks. Some shallots too, peeled, and we're going to use it whole. Once cooked, they soften and soak up all the flavor, becoming the tastiest little bites. Now in a pot, heat a little oil and saute the shallots. Add the drumsticks as well. Now pour in some water, cover and cook for about 5 minutes or until the drumsticks are tender. While that's cooking, let's check on the dal. Mash it well until it's smooth. This helps give the sambar its right consistency. Once the drumsticks are cooked, add in the raw mango chunks and salt to taste. It's best to add the mango towards the end. The sourness can sometimes toughen the vegetables or lentils and slow down the cooking. Now add the cooked dal. You can add some water here to adjust the consistency. Add a dash of your favorite sambar powder and stir until well combined. Cover and let it cook until the mango is soft. Once that's done, let's prepare the tempering. In a tablespoon of sesame oil, add mustard seeds, a tiny pinch of fenugreek seeds, a pinch of Asafetida and dried red chilli. Let it splutter and then add a couple of sprigs of curry leaves. Pour this fragrant tempering over the sambar and cover immediately so all those flavors get infused. Comforting, familiar and beautifully tangy. This raw mango sambar served with hot rice and maybe a side of poriyal makes for such a wholesome summer meal. For more such recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Until the next one, take care and ta-ta!